Okay. Okay, we move on. Next factory. Synno. Are you there, Synno? B. How to spell his name? Synno. Hi, I'm Helen. Can you hear me? Hello. Hello.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah. I can hear you.
Yes. Please, let me open the video.
Yeah. Open the video. Yeah.
Hello.
Hello.
Can you see me? Clearly.
Can you maybe turn off your other mobiles, something like this?
Can see me with
I
this
can
mobile?
see you now.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Here. This is Fabienne from Synno here.
Fabienne.
Right.
Yes. Yeah. Is the Italian name or?
It's a French name.
French name.
Yes, I learned the French.
French. French name. Yeah. Bonjour.
Okay, here I'm from Synno. You can see here. Oh, can you see the logo?
Yeah, right, I can see now. Yeah.
I'm in our office now.
Okay,
and here, because I'm in the office, not in the factory, so I just can introduce you some old samples in our office. It's okay?
Okay, of course.
Okay, and I'm prepared the catalogs for the 2020 version and the new version. We will we update the catalogs every year.
Great.
Okay.
You also update the catalog for the fair?
Sure. It's the new one, not print now. So I just can print separately here, one piece and one piece. See. Okay. The first one I want to tell is the lights we produce. We produce the outdoor lights and indoor lights too. Similarly like the series. I thought you can see
clear,
right?
Yeah, LED garden light series.
Sure. The first one is garden light series. The second one is the LED floor light series. The third one is LED underground light series here. And the fourth one, LED swimming pool lights, LED window lights, and the up and down lights, wall lights. You see.
Yeah, I see.
Our main road. Here. Okay, let me introduce you the first one item here. Our wholesale item F24. I got sample here. This one. This is the gray color.
Gray color.
Yes, the COB version. Here we also provide the high power version if you want. And we got the house for the house color. We got white, light gray, and this gray, and the black one here. It's all and sorry for this. Okay, for this item, it got two install way. The first way is the base one here. You provide the base. Okay, and the spike. Okay, just it can replace the base and simply
use the spike.
Yes, and stay into the soil and some grass. You see. Okay. Here we got this more information. We can customize its power light here. 3 watt, 5 watt, 7 watt, and 10 watt. It is regular.
10 watt.
If you want, yes, if you want the large on the smaller, we can provide to just customize it. Okay, and for the house color, different color can customize, and we provide different lighting effect like the here
can be different color.
Yes, to warm white to cold white here, and the light here, red light, green light, blue light, and RGB changeable. Okay, I can show you some lighting effect for our one of our item one of our customers have ordered 7 color, like the rainbow light.
7 color.
Yes, you see here.
Wow.
It's eye-catching.
Yeah, fantastic. The first time I see 7 color, especially for the purple. I think like the purple,
I'm shocked too, because the lighting effect shows, wow, I think it's so beautiful. Yes.
Which kind of country you sell this light for the 7 color?
This one,
yeah.
7 color.
Yeah.
This one is from my colleague. I don't know which country it's sent to, but if you want, we can customize for you too.
Yeah, great. 7 colors. The first time I see.
Yes. And the lighting effect is wonderful, I think.
Yeah.
Here I want to tell this. For the lighting effect, we can customize these so many colors for all our items.
Yeah, great.
See, and here we use you can check
the power, the cable. Yeah, the cable.
The cable. We got the
free wire.
Yes, free. Yeah. Some country needs 3 wires, and some needs 2, but mostly our customer needs 3 wires. Here we can provide the 3 or 2 if you like.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Here let's go on next series, right? I'm sorry, this is the one. Too many
items there.
Yes, here. Here we got the LED floor lights, but we don't prepare in the office. So if you want, I can I will leave my email address. So if you contact me, I can send you the full catalog. And we have the just single pictures by single pictures if you want. So we can check it so clearly, not in a PDF file.
Like the data sheet. Yeah.
Yes, sure. The last one is the LED underground light here. Okay, we have prepared so much. Let me go the page to the underground lights. Please wait a moment. Okay, here. Oh, by the way, in our catalogs, we will show the install ways. See how to install here. Yep. If you still don't understand how to install, you can contact us. We can provide some solution to you, and just easy to install, right? Here we get Here we get the underground light. We got sample here, like this.
How many watts?
It's a small. This is 1 or 3 watts.
1 or 3 watts. With honey cup here.
Yes, a honey cup can anti-dazzle.
Anti-dazzle.
Right. Yes, and this is the smallest size.
Smaller size.
Yes, diameter 42 millimeter here. Okay, and the honeycomb is customized too. Right, you got here GR1D.
GR.
Oh yes, we got samples. Right here, it is a high power version with honeycomb. One more thing I should tell. By the way, here we got the label. So it can see clearly for the watt input voltage.
The input, also the caution. It can see.
Yes, yes. And then I think it's the most important item I want to tell here. GR1M.
Oh, it can be moved the angle.
Yes, it is adjustable.
Adjustable,
see?
Yeah.
Yes, I prepare it. You can adjustable to left or right, 15 degrees. See?
And use the key.
Yes, use the here. We will provide this accessory too. Yes. Oh, and here is the underground light, right? And we also provide this part so you can install it more easy.
Yeah.
So just put it into the ground.
Make it with sex box.
Yes. So last one, let me move on. Is the swimming pool light.
Oh, swimming pool light. Yeah.
Yes. We got the white one with the ABS plastic material.
ABS.
Here. Yes, here.
Oh, right. How about the warranty for this item?
Warranty? Wattage? Oh,
no.
yes.
The warranty time. How many years?
How many years? 2 or 3. 2 to 3 warranty. Yes.
Okay.
If you want, you can order 5 warranty. Yes. Yes. Okay. This one is material ABS plastic. Okay. We also get the the blue one with 304 as stainless steel.
Oh, the blue one is the stainless steel. Stainless steel and then painting.
It's ABS, right?
Oh, ABS,
the blue one is ABS, right? And this is the stainless part.
Oh, okay. The part, okay. The stainless steel and with the ABS.
Yes. Sometimes like this, the blue one, and another other like this, because it's cheaper and lighter, easy to transport. This one.
Yeah.
Okay. And we got the for the swimming pool light, all lines of all the series, of our companies will provide the install way here. Okay. And the last one is the fountain light here.
Fountain. Okay.
Yes, fountain. Okay. It can reach the IP68. Can use it under the water for a long time.
A long time.
The other products is IP65.
IP65.
Yes, rainproof. Okay. Here we get this wall light.
Oh, the wall light.
It can up and down. It can up light, down light, and up down together.
Do you have the very narrow angles about this wall light? How about the
angle?
Yes.
Angle.
The big angle.
Big angle here. It can here 15, 30, 45, and 60. If you want, the smallest is the 8 degree.
8 degree. Okay.
Yes, the largest one is 120 degree.
Oh, okay.
Okay. For all the lights, you can customize.
Yeah.
Okay. So I just prepared the outdoor light series for the indoor lights. How about I can send you by the email?
Yeah, right? Of course. You can send us the email.
Okay. I know the we can comment down the contact way to under the comment section, right?
Yeah, you can leave a message.
Oh, you will contact me, right?
Yeah, of course.
Okay. So here, if you have any question for me or our company and our products, I can.
First, we already have some of your products for our Facebook and Twitter to promote your products. We have seen it because you have a booth in our lightstrade.com, so we know your products before this factory tour for me. So family, thank you much for your you are in the office, but you still have you try your best way to sell us and tell us your products, and thank you very much for your preparation. Yeah. Okay. And you can leave a message down, and then maybe your email, something like this. And in this video, after this video, we will post this video broadcast on Lightstrade SNS.
Yes. Okay. Okay. I see.
Okay. See you. And then, okay. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.